Welcome to Tips and Tricks. I'm Chris Wills, Director of Training at RDI Technologies, and today I'd like to demonstrate a new feature in RDI Acquisition that allows the user to easily and quickly identify saturated areas of the image. In previous versions of RDI Acquisition, the user would use the pointer tool to identify pixels on the acquisition screen which were either nearing or at 100% saturation. Once again, saturated pixels do not amplify the same as other pixels and are not useful for vibration analysis. So for the most part, it is a good idea to avoid saturation on areas of the image that are deemed important. Starting with version 2.5, there is now a saturation button on the acquisition toolbar. When you click the saturation button, any saturated pixels in the image turn red, making it easier to adjust. Now all that needs to be done is to adjust the image brightness either by closing the aperture, lowering the brightness, or lowering the gain until the red color no longer appears on the screen. There, that should work a lot better. This is Chris Wills reminding you to visit us on the web at www.rditechnologies.com for the latest motion amplification tips and tricks.